Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you clicking on my video. No, you didn't have to. If this is your first time with me, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the ring-a-ding bell. I will support you back. You know I will. If this is not your first time with me, then what's up? How y'all doing? How's it going? Hey. So today I actually have a little bit of a surprise. I did decide to go ahead and re-sign up for Allure just for this month, for Allure Beauty Box just for this month. If you don't know about Allure, it is a $14.99 a month beauty subscription where a lot of times you will get some full-size products. Most of the time it's deluxe sample products. It just depends on what it is. And actually it's a really good subscription. It's just I had to stop it because I couldn't really afford it, and there was a few times where I was getting boxes and I was kind of unhappy with it, but I had it for a very long time. Anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be unboxing the July Allure Beauty Box, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So if you guys want to see this and what I got in my box, you guys know the drill. Keep on watching, and I'll be right back. Yes, I'll be right back. I sure will. Alrighty then. Okay, so like I was showing you in my intro, this is the beauty box for Allure for July 2019. So I'm pretty excited about getting this one because as you can see right here, it says Huda Beauty. Yes, it does. So I have not seen what's in this box, and I do know that there are 3 variations. You don't really get spoilers on Allure, but they do variations, and you never know what you're going to get. So it's either all the products are the same except for the three products. So you can have out of one of your products, you can have the Brow, you have the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, which I already have, and then it's an Urban Decay pencil, which I also already have. So hopefully I will open the box and I'll have the Brow because I'm super excited about getting that. And I think you can get it in either shade 3.0 or 3.5. And I would prefer the 3.0, but I have not tried the 3.5, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. We're gonna open this. I saw my friend Mary open hers, Mary Jones. I will link her information down below. And also, I believe I saw Sherry undo hers or unbox hers, so I'll also link Sherry down below as well. So this is the box, and like I said, I cut the part right here that you recut it before you open it. So let's go ahead and open the box. I'll also leave my link down below if you want to try Allure, because your first Allure box that you get is only $10, and they also send you a gift. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like. And on the inside of this one, it says, "With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Kattan of Huda Beauty." Every box comes with a pamphlet like this, and well, not exactly like this, but it tells about what each product is and what will be retail full size if you were to get it full size. So she is just so beautiful. Isn't she beautiful? My goodness. So at first, okay, so like I signed up again, so that they gave me free products here. So this is awesome. I've never tried these. So they sent me the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, which is this one. And I'm assuming it's like a little thing like the balm, like the lip balm. Yes, it is. So this is the little water cream mask. And then I've wanted to try the blue ones. And they also sent me the water bank cream, which looks like this. And this is basically just like a moisturizing cream. So this is what the actual product looks like that came in the longer tube or the longer gel. The thing is with these is I'm looking at it and it's only filled up to like right here. Isn't that crazy? Like they could have at least filled it up. It says that it's 8 mLs, but there's no way that it's 8 mLs. It's only filled this far. Anyhow, moving past that, I mean, it was free product, so you get this. Look, we're gonna open this this bag. So they decided they were gonna change from the red boxes a while back to these plasticky bags. And the plastic bags, the first few rounds that they changed these, like they would split in half. But it looks to me like they've reinforced these really well. And at the bottom, it has this extra little flap here. So that probably helps a lot as far as keeping it from splitting, because a lot of people were split down the side and down the bottom. So now it doesn't really have a place to split down at the bottom. But this is a super pretty bag. I like this bag. It's like, it almost like it's glow in the dark. If you look at it in a darker setting, it's like that. So, all right, so let's open this bag here. Oh, yay! I did get the mini Cabral. Oh, that's awesome. So this is what I was wanting. This is the mini Cabral, and this is basically like it's a cream gel brow color with the brush. So I did get the 3.5, which is fine. I have been wanting to try the 3.5 color because I know that's a newer color. So let's see what it says about the little Cabral. This is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's so cute. So this will be, if you got this full size, it would be $24. And it says that you can get it at benefitcosmetics.com. Now, I don't really read a whole lot of the stuff that's in here because most of it is like opinion from like the Allure editors and stuff like that. So this really says nothing except for it's a cream gel and it's easy to use. You swipe it on with a cap that has a built-in brush. It's a buildable waterproof formula. It bulks up brows and sets them in just a few strokes. So let's test this and try it and see about the color. There's a little brush that comes out, and then you unscrew the lid. This is just super cute to me. I just love this. Okay, so let's swatch this and see how this looks. Ooh, that's a little dark. I think I'll be able to use this okay with a light hand. Can I show you guys what it looks like? So that is the 3.5 color. So I do think that I'll be able to use it. I just think it'd be really, really dark if I didn't use a light hand. Like when my hair is really, really darker, like in the winter, this would be a good one for the winter. And I do have some brow products that are quite dark, so I think this would be fine. But I'm super glad that I got this as opposed to the other two products that were available because I already have them. So, and you know what? This is a fun fact about Courtney's makeup collection. This is the only brow product I think this is the only brow product from Benefit that I do not have from them in some way, shape, or form, as far as like sampling, or not sampling, but like travel size or regular size. I prefer travel size products, especially for brow products and mascara, just because it takes me so long to go through them. You know, it's just easier for me to have them in this size, and they're super easy to carry in your makeup bag or whatever. So that's awesome. Okay, so the next thing I see here is, what is this? Okay, so this is the Kattan-Allure. This is a perfume. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I think this was something that was made with her and her sister, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Kattan and her sister Mona launched Kattan-Allure fragrances together, and the line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter it's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled. Okay, pamphlet down. I'm sold. This is $65 for 50 mLs or $118 for 100 mLs. You can use the promo code that came in your box to get 25% off. So, promo code in my box. I don't have a promo code in my box. Did I not get a promo code in my box? I don't see anything. In fact, I don't see the little scratch off card that everybody got in their box. They skipped me. And I haven't opened it, so it's not like it fell out anywhere. Anyway, so I guess I don't even get a promo code. So sorry for that, but I want to smell this. Oh, you guys, this is right up my alley. I love sweet scents. This, like, oh my goodness. I already know. I can definitely smell the musk when you first spray it, but like it's starting to like sweeten up a little bit. Oh, that's a beautiful scent. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it. I love it. You guys, my favorite perfume of all time is Pink Sugar by Aquilina. I know that is so crazy, but it really is. It's been my favorite perfume for years, and I love it. And oh my goodness, I don't know what I would do. I always have some on me no matter what, and because it's super cheap on eBay. So yeah, but this perfume smells super good. I would love to have a bottle of that, but I definitely don't have the money for it. But what a great scent. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. I love the way that smells. That's beautiful. Okay, so another thing I'm pulling out of my bag here. I'm still trying to ponder as to why I don't have a coupon code. Where's my coupon code? Okay, so the next thing I have is this Tony Moly Intense Care 24 Karat Gold Snail Hydrogel Mask. I was watching Miss Mary and she was like, what do they have to do to the snail? But you guys, I know like snail essence and stuff is very good for your skin. I know it sounds crazy, but it really is. These are $10. You can get this at TonyMoly.us, and you can enter Allure 20 at checkout to get 20% off of full price items, and that's valid until August 31st. So if you guys are interested in any of the Tony Moly, I don't know how to say it, Tony Moly products, you can use Allure 20 and that'll give you 20% off of all the products that are full price. That's pretty good. I can assume that this will have hyaluronic acid in it, and because it's a hydrogel mask, and like snail essence, so you can kind of see where it has a little snail right there. So this is really cool. It's very large, so, and it's definitely K-beauty. I mean, look on the back, all you can see is like Korean writing, so that's pretty cool. I like it. It's snail secretion, so they didn't have to hurt the snails to make this. And I'm sure, as with all masks, you can apply the remaining essence all over your skin. Me and my friends have a joke with that word. It's pretty funny. Anyway, so alright, so now let's pull out the next product, and that is going to be, ooh, I'm excited about this. Okay, so this is one of my favorite hair product brands, or brands for hair. And this is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. So this is basically like a hairspray, a dry shampoo, and a texturizing spray all in one. And I know this smells so good because all their products smell so amazing. And most of the products that I've gotten from this brand have been from my Allure boxes. So and everything that I've gotten from them, I've loved it, every single bit of it. So this is $26. You can get it at OUAI.com and enter Allure 19 for 15% off your order. That's valid through September 1st, 2019. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to spray it into the cap, actually. Ah, that smells amazing. It's like this really super soft like smell that's not overpowering, it's not overbearing. I really do like that. Their stuff smells beautiful. I love this brand. Love this brand. Okay, so next thing we have is, ooh, it's a Huda product. So let's find this. The Huda Beauty Classic Lashes in Style Samantha. So funny story about these. This is actually my second pair of these now, because my friend Amy, she works with me, and every time she gets any lashes, she gives them to me. So the other night we were at work, and she's like, hey, I have to give you a couple of things, and this was one of them. And I wasn't sure if they were doing a variation on the lashes for the Allure box, and I knew I hadn't gotten my Allure box yet, so I was like, ooh, I might have either 2 pairs of Samantha lashes or a pair of Samanthas and a pair of something else of Huda. But I've never tried Huda lashes before, so I'm super excited. My friend Sherry says they're amazing, so I'm excited about these. These retail for $20, and you can get them at Shop Huda Beauty. And sorry, but I don't have a coupon code, which would give you 25% off. And yeah, I don't understand why I didn't get a card. These are not the ones that are like the real mink. These are the faux mink synthetic false lashes. So they're medium volume, and they're great for beginners and regular users. So aren't they gorgeous? I love how they kind of taper off right here in the middle inner corner. So yes, I love these. So now I have 2 pair of them. So thank you, Amy, for giving me your Samanthas. Now I have 2 Samanthas. Okay, so last but not least is, oh my goodness, this beautiful product. And I already know a lot about this product. This is a liquid matte lipstick from Huda that was specially made for this Allure box. So they wanted to do something that was exclusive, and so you won't be able to find this anywhere except for in this box. So if you didn't get this box, you won't be able to buy this anywhere. But it says on the inside, Huda Beauty loves Allure. That's super cute. And the packaging on this is super pretty. I do have another another Huda Beauty liquid lip, and it's super dark. So I don't really wear it much except for in the winter. Finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huda for your July Beauty Box. As in, you can only get this tube in this bright red tube of matte summer perfection right here. When we first dreamed up this super sexy shade, we made a collage of our favorite runway lip trends. And then we passed the baton to Kattan. Rest was easy. It took us about half a second to identify the shade, more flattering and eye-catching than any orange red we've tried before. Kattan is very good at her job. It looked amazing on 5 Allure editors with 5 different skin tones and 5 colors, and just like that, Alluring was born. Let's do a swatch of this and just kind of see what it looks like on the skin. Ooh, that is a bright, bright, bright color. Very, very, very bright. And it's, oh, it smells so good, so good. So here is the swatch. And normally I would say, like, I had gotten an Ofra lipstick that I have actually got to send to my friend Lisa. It's in her box. But I have an orange lipstick from Ofra that's not, it's not the orangey red. It's just basically like an orangey, like terracotta. That I would not wear, but this is something that I could definitely see myself wearing for sure. I mean, especially this time of year on here. So this is beautiful. I love this. So I'm super happy with this little bag, except for the fact that I didn't get a little card like everybody else did. So yeah, so that is the Allure Beauty Box for July and what I got in July of 2019. So I'm super happy with it. Like I said, other than not getting the card. But I'm super stoked about the eyebrow product. I'm really, really excited to try this and wear this on, you know, like an everyday basis. Especially if it's a little dark. I know that I can use it in the winter and it'll, you know, kind of bring the brows out a little better. Even though I did put on some just now, and it looks pretty good to me, in my opinion. So, and as far as the Huda lipstick goes, I love it. The lashes, beautiful. I'm super happy about the way spray. I love the 2 Laneige products. I wish I could eat this, but this is not edible. The perfume and the Tony Moly. Every time I say that, I feel like I'm saying it wrong. The Hydro Mask I would definitely use. Something like that I would definitely use. I don't use masks very much like that, but I would definitely use that. So if you guys like this video, please let me know by showing a thumbs up, tapping my subscribe, hitting the ring bell, so that way you know when I upload a new video. If you guys got Allure, let me know which version you got, and let me know if you got this or one of the other 2 products. I think my friend Sherry got the Too Faced primer, and yeah, I don't really know what everybody else got, so you guys need to let me know what you got. And yeah, I love you guys, but I will not argue with you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.